enthusiasts and culinary explorers. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we are about to embark on a journey of taste, texture, and nostalgia. Today, we are going to explore the delightful and comforting world of the grilled cheese sandwich, a dish so simple, yet so versatile and universally loved. Our special blend of cheeses will take this classic to a whole new level of deliciousness. The ingredients are laid out neatly and ready for us to delve into. We have a couple slices of your favorite bread, a selection of cheese slices, cheddar, American, Swiss, or any melting cheese you fancy. We've got some butter to spread on the bread, and if you're feeling a bit adventurous today, you could add some optional fillings such as sliced tomato, cooked bacon, or avocado slices. The process is simple, but the results are extraordinary. First, we heat up a skillet or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Then, we spread butter evenly over one side of each slice of bread. Following this, we layer the cheese slices on top of one slice of bread, butter side down. If you chose to use additional fillings, now is the time to layer them on top of the cheese. The sandwich is then topped with the second slice of bread, butter side up. The sandwich is then carefully transferred to the preheated skillet or pan. It's cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the bread is golden brown and the cheese has melted into a gooey delight. The sandwich is flipped using a spatula to ensure both sides get that perfect golden crust. Once it's done, the sandwich is removed from the skillet or pan and placed on a plate. It's important to let it cool for a minute or two before slicing. And there you have it, a delicious, comforting, and oh-so-cheesy grilled cheese sandwich. This sandwich is best served with a side of tomato soup or a crisp salad. It's a meal that's comforting, satisfying, and simply delicious. Thank you for joining us today and watching this video. Your company is always appreciated. If you haven't done so yet, do subscribe for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. And if you have a favorite grilled cheese variation or a secret ingredient that you'd like to share, do leave a comment. Until next time, keep exploring the world of food, keep cooking, and most importantly, keep enjoying the delicious results. Happy grilling and happy eating!